Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm a CBA certified business analyst, and today we'll be continuing with our 25th question of our BA interview series. And here it goes. What if the interviewer asks, what are the events in Agile methodology? Name some key events in Agile methodologies like Scrum. So I'll answer. Agile events are time box activities that enable teams to collaborate, inspect progress, and adapt their approach throughout the project lifecycle. In Scrum, the key events include sprint planning, where the team decides what to deliver in the sprint, daily Scrum, which is a short daily meeting to track progress and resolve blockers, sprint review, where the completed work is demonstrated to stakeholders, and sprint retrospective, where the team reflects on improvements for the next sprint. As a business analyst, I actively participate in these events to ensure requirements are clearly understood, user stories are well defined, and any clarifications are addressed during the sprint. In my CraftCart project, I followed a similar agile approach where user stories were planned, progress was tracked regularly, and feedback was incorporated iteratively, especially for features like payment processing and order flow improvements. Overall, Agile events ensure continuous collaboration, transparency, and improvement throughout the project. So, like I always give you an example, this is also an example of a food delivery app project. So, in a food delivery app project, a business analyst would do sprint planning, where team decides which features to build. Then there would be daily Scrum, where team gives daily progress update. Then there would be a sprint review session, where completed features are shown to the stakeholders. Then there would be sprint retrospective, where team discuss what went well and what can improve. These are agile events in Scrum. Agile events help team plan, collaborate, and improve continuously. Scrum events ensure regular communication and smooth project delivery. So agile events are meeting conducted regularly to plan work, track progress, discuss issue, and improve team collaboration. As you can see in my CraftCart project, I followed a similar agile approach where user stories were planned, progress was tracked regularly, and feedback was incorporated iteratively, especially for features like payment processing and order flow improvements. Overall, agile events are time box activities, remember that enable team collaborate, inspect progress, and adapt the approach throughout the project lifecycle. I hope you learned something from it. Thank you so much for watching.